Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. I'm trying to make my channel lean more towards makeup tutorials, not so much hair and clothes and any other stuff that I was doing in the past. The only two palettes that I'll be using today is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I literally only have 3 makeup palettes. This one, the second one that I'm going to show you, and another one which is the Lick and Lash Beauty 35E palette that I used in my previous video. So throughout my tutorials I'll be using those 3 palettes interchangeably. I'll suggest you to get this one. It was 15 bucks. The next palette that I'll be showing you is the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette. This cost me, I don't even know how much. I'll look it up and I'll put it down below. Not below, I'll put on the screen how much it was. Hopefully it focuses it and says it's a 3502 Second Nature palette. Like this. And then lastly, the palette that I always use is the Lick and Lash Beauty 35E palette, which is basically a duplicate of the Morphe 35B palette that they discontinued. And that was like 20 bucks, I think it was. I forgot. But it's like, it's a UK makeup. These are the 2 palettes that I'll be using for the video today. So yeah, make sure to keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you like the video, and let's get on with it. So obviously I'm going to first start off by priming my eyes with the Maybelline concealer in shade 14 Fair. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with the the Real Techniques beauty blender. Now I'm going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to use a Morphe blending brush to dip into those 2 yellows. Now I'm going to be showing you all of the fallout that this palette comes with, so beware. You know, make sure to have that tape, or to not do your face first. Make sure to do your eyes and then your face, because you will have fallout everywhere. Just a little tip. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my eyelid towards the upper part, because we're going to be stacking up a whole bunch of colors underneath that yellow. Now I'm going into the Morphe palette, the 3502 Second Nature one. I'm going into the color Terracotta, which is that one that I'm showing you, with a fluffy brush that I got from Avon. Like, I literally found this in one of my mom's makeup stuff that she didn't ever use back from her wedding, which was like almost 20 years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and use that brush and just try to blend that color into the yellow. And it blended out pretty well, better than I expected. Next, you're going into the color Ablaze, which is the one right above it, with a small Morphe brush, and I'm just going to apply it right under the color Terracotta. I'm going into the color Chestnut with a small detail brush that we used before, and I'm applying it right under the color Ablaze. And then you're going to see me go in with that Avon brush and just blend all of the colors together. Using a flat Morphe brush, I'm going into the color Wiz, which is that really deep black, and I'm applying it like I would eyeliner. I don't want to use eyeliner because I don't want it so strong. I just wanted like an eyeshadow soft look, so that's why I went ahead and did that. I'm just doing it like in a shape of a cat eye, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it does, because you're seeing me do it. So yeah, I'm just taking off that tape. Then I'm gonna come back with concealer under my eyes, because that needed to be cleaned up. We're going back into that color Wiz using a smaller flat brush, and I'm applying it under my waterline, my lash line. Actually, I know what it's called now, my lash line, just because I want to deepen up the look. With a flat brush, I'm going into the color Brunette, and I'm applying it underneath the color Wiz that I put on earlier. So again, this just like darkens up my eye area. For lashes, I'm using the Audrina Gloco Lash in style Audrina. I'm always going to be using these lashes for my video until I get some more lashes, because these lashes are the best. They are the bomb, trust me. It's just that I really suck at putting eyelashes on for some reason, so I'm gonna come back to you guys with these lashes on. The itty bitty brush, I'm going into the color Zippy, which is that one, and the color Pure, which is that one, and I'm applying it into the inner corner of my eyes to give me that brillo. Hopefully you liked the video. I hope it was detailed enough for you and I explained everything as much as I could as possible. Yeah, so again, those are the 2 palettes that I was using throughout this video. I was trying to go for like a grunge babe look. I used to have some type of like emo stage back in my freshman and sophomore year. I love Black Veil Brides, Andy Biersack. to die for. Sleeping with Sirens, oh my god, I was just actually listening to them right now just to get in the mood as I was doing my makeup. I have a very crazy genre of music that I like to listen to, from freaking rock and crazy yelling screaming music to bachata and cumbia, merengue. Like, my music is all over the scale, except for country music. I don't listen to country music. But other than that, yeah, so I hope, like I said, you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe. Down below I have all the products that I used in the video. I also put a little playlist right here which has the rest of my makeup tutorials that I do on my channel. Check it out if you guys want to know other makeup tutorials that I do. I also post my makeup stuff on my Instagram. I have an Instagram specifically for makeup, which is called Indalecia. Indalecia is how do you pronounce my name, which is the YouTube channel name, Indalecia. My Instagram name is Indalecia with 2 A's on there. And then my personal one is Indalecia_. So if you guys want to follow those, I suggest you do, to keep up with my makeup and any giveaways that I will do in the future. So yeah, that is it. Let me stop talking so you guys can go watch my other video. Again, thank you so much for watching it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.